Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Kawasaki TERYX4S model. We've just installed the Ryco street legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it will look on your machine. Part number 4116. This does work on a bunch of different machines, from mules to TERYXs throughout the different years, 2016 and newer. How does it look? How does it work? So the Ryco kit for the TERYX model comes with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can mount these. This is a very popular spot that we mount them. You can see it really good from the front, and you can also see it really good from the sides. But anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can install those lights. How does it work? Just like your car, down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. And what I love about the Ryco kit, no additional holes to drill in the rear. It ties into those stock tail lights, illuminating all of those bright LEDs, giving you great visibility. And while I'm back here, you can see it comes with the license plate mounting hardware as well as a light to illuminate that plate at night. Very nice. The Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. All you're going to do is simply pull out on that lever. You can see those indicators up on the dash indicating that those hazards are on. And around the front. And around the rear. Very nice. With all of those LEDs in there, you've got great visibility from about every angle, keeping you nice and safe out on the road. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push that red lever back in. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever as well. 435-427-3338. Give us a call if you have any questions. These are the models that this kit fits. If you have any questions about the kit, give us a call. If you'd like to order one, give us a call. We'll also post up a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, where you can go and place your order online. Have a great day, everybody.